Good evening, friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. Friends, there will be a huge decrease to millions of low-income households and monthly benefits. So many lawmakers are very worried about this new change. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about all of these details. Also, to say thank you and for being here every day and for being part of this community. I will be giving away 2 $75 Walmart gift cards every Friday. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then do comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My friends, the more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these weekly giveaways. According to a new report by the Congressional Budget Office, as inflation spiked last year, Americans in the middle class were especially hit hard. And for many, prices of goods increased faster than their income. Even though middle-class wage growth is high by historical standards, it isn't keeping up with the increased cost of living, which in December was up 6.5% from the prior year, making it much harder to live the same lifestyle that previous middle-class generations did. Nearly 72% of middle-income families say their earnings are falling behind the cost of living. That is up from 68% 1 year ago. About 74% of middle-class income families said they are unable to save for their future, and that percentage is up from 66% 1 year ago. CNN News has reported that across the board, millions of American households have been slow to address their spending habits. Even as prices rise significantly, consumer spending has not changed that much. To bridge the gap, Americans are dipping into their savings accounts and running up their credit card balances. That leaves them more financially vulnerable in the event of an economic shock. In just a few months, many Americans will see a huge benefit decrease. The latest public health emergency went into effect this month, but SNAP recipients may soon see a reduction in their monthly benefits very soon. Emergency allotments, which allowed for extra SNAP benefits based on a public health emergency declaration by the Secretary of Health and Human Services, have been in place for 2 years, so the extra boost was due to expire by the end of February under a new government spending bill. According to Forbes, eligible families had received a 15% increase in SNAP benefits, with a maximum benefit amount based on household size and income. But starting March 2023, SNAP benefits and eligibility qualifications will return to pre-crisis conditions. It is important to note that the benefits will also be adjusted for inflation. Nearly half of U.S. states have already ended emergency allotments, and 25 additional states are ending the benefit boost on January 30th, 2023. On February 28th, SNAP emergency allotments will come to an end for the states of California, Kansas, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Wisconsin. The public health emergency extension helped millions of struggling households easily access SNAP and other essential benefits throughout the crisis. The Food Research and Action Center also indicated that temporary flexibilities helped alleviate bureaucratic hurdles for administrators, individuals, and families. Many experts have estimated that when the federal public health emergency comes to an end, most SNAP recipients will lose about $82 a month in benefits. SNAP recipients are encouraged to make preparations by adjusting their food budgets. So, dear friends, do you receive SNAP benefits? And has your benefit amount decreased? Please leave those thoughts in the comments section below. Even as households begin to enjoy relief from inflation, a spike in heating bills could crunch budgets this winter due to a rise in natural gas prices. Analysts told ABC News that nearly half of the nation's households rely on natural gas for heating. The price of the fuel surged last year following a jump in demand after extreme weather forced consumers to run heat and air conditioning more than usual. The United States suffered a shortage of supply as gas exports had increased. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, last year, the average price of natural gas reached its highest point since 2008, increasing by nearly 30% above where it stood 1 year prior. These sky-high prices are primarily due to a jump in U.S. gas exports in response to heightened demand from other countries. As the United States supply has faltered, a bout of extreme weather increased the need for indoor air conditioning and heat, causing a jump in demand here in the United States. The upward pressure on prices endured through the end of last year. The average price of wholesale gas rose 47% in December, compared with the same month 1 year prior. So dear friends, please let me know in the comments section below if your heating bill has increased this winter season. Well, my magnificent and marvelous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this January 18th. My friends, thank you so much for joining me here every day and checking in with me. I want you all to know that I greatly appreciate all of you for being part of this community. I will be doing weekly giveaways for the Walmart gift cards, so please make sure you enter by clicking and liking several of my videos, and do comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, my friends, the greater your chances of winning these weekly giveaways. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and very blessed Wednesday.
Now, on another matter, as cracks keep forming in the Democrats' reckless tax spending spree, some of our colleagues channel their frustration into even more radical attempts to attack our government institutions. In the span of a few hours, one Senate Democrats have renewed call to nuke the Senate and break the rules. And another published a national op-ed arguing the Democrats should attack the rule of law and pack the Supreme Court. Two frontal assaults, two branches of government proposed in the space of about 2 hours. Entire generation of statesmen would have seen either one of these unhinged proposals as Armageddon for our institutions. But apparently today's Democrats tried both at once and just all at Wednesday. We've heard false claims that Senate obeying our rules to address the debt somehow paves the way for radicals to break the rules. So, Madam President, I'd ask that an additional statement on that subject appear at a different place in the record.
Without objection.
So look, we have discussed over and over again why Democrats will not be allowed to federalize our elections and lord over all 50 states like a self-appointed board of elections on steroids. My colleagues across the aisle have pushed absurd bills that would do things like voter ID laws, make every state legalize ballot harvesting, turn the federal election into a biased partisan body, and even send taxpayer money to political campaigns. It isn't about unquote voting rights. It's a naked power grab. Democrats have been pushing the same kinds of bills literally for years.